Hi, my name is Aaron McClellan with Vaultant Technologies. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to change the props on the T100. So the three tools that you'll need to do this is a torque wrench that can go to 14.5 Newton meters or 130 inch-pounds, a 13 mil socket, and blue medium strength Loctite. Let's get started. There's two different types of props on the T100. There's a clockwise and a counterclockwise. So whether it's the top or the bottom, it's the same all the way around the drone. So now I've taken off both nuts, and I can remove the prop keeper along with the prop washers, and then the props can come off. So now that we've taken the props off, we want to verify on the arm that we put the correct prop on. For this location, I need counterclockwise props, which is what I have here. So now that you have your prop taken off and all of the washers taken off, when you go to replace it, there's 4 prop washers per motor. Make sure that all those 4 are still functioning correctly and have not been flattened. Now put 2 underneath, followed by 2 props, 2 prop washers on top, and then the guard. So now before you put the nuts back on, you want to make sure to put Loctite on the threads. And for this, we're using blue medium strength Loctite. You don't need very much on each one. So next, I'm going to put the nut back on and make sure not to cross thread the nut. And before I tighten this next one all the way, I'm going to Loctite and put the nut on the other one. And now tighten the nuts up. And again, you're going to 14.5 Newton meters or 130 inch-pounds. I'm gonna make sure both are tight before I torque either one down all the way. And it's kind of hard to hear, but I made sure that both of them clicked at least 2 times, and that way I know that the torque spec has been reached. Once you have the nut all the way on, make sure that the props are about equal in resistance opening and closing. If one is looser than the other, make sure that they've been tightened correctly. Along with, as the drone gets used, they do on occasion become loose. So periodically you want to make sure that you recheck the torque on the props. Thanks for joining us here at Vaultant today. My name is Aaron, and this was a video of how to change the T100 props.